Shirogorov Model Quantum, second generation. Some of the characteristics of this knife: overall length we have at 8.86 inches, which is 22.5 centimeters long. Blade length we've got at 3.74 inches, 9.5 centimeters long. And blade thickness on this knife we have 0.137 inches. It's 3.5 millimeters thick. Blade steel we've got M390 Drop Point style blade. The knife mechanism runs on Shirogorov MRBS system, MRBS bearings. Each side has 21 high quality bearings, so knife flips quite easily. The weight on this knife, 4.3 ounces, 122 grams. Very pocket friendly, quite light to say. We've got milled titanium handles, gorgeous backspacer, and frame lock. It locks in very well. Frame locks in right exactly where it should be. It's a perfection. Everything just works so nice. In comparison, I think it's very close to in design and size with my Shirogorov F95 model. I would say they're pretty much one-on-one similar. Overall, it sits really well in hand. Very comfortable. And other than comfort, it's quite a beautiful knife. Pocket clip works very well. It's not thick, it's a pretty nice decent size and should go in very well. I hate short thick pocket clips, it never works. But slim long ones, they sit perfectly, and hopefully they don't destroy your jeans.